Hey, I got some new headphones for my wife, but before I hand them off to her, I gotta feed the YouTube algorithm real quick and make this little video. Let's unbox and take a quick look at the Skullcandy Hesh Evos. Let's get into it. These headphones were purchased from Best Buy, and because my wife got a brand new iPhone 12 that came in the color blue, well, she picked the color blue for the Hesh Evos, which also comes in a few colors as well. The cushions are soft and comfortable as far as the ears are concerned, but when it comes to the headband cushion, I would have liked a little bit more on the headband. Speaking of the headband, there's pretty much the bulk of glossy plastic on these headphones is in the headband area, while the rest of the headphones seems to be in a nice matte color, which I really do like. Now, in terms of the clamping force on the headbands, it's a little bit more than I would prefer. However, when I had the headphones extended all the way out, it didn't seem too bad at all. Looking around the headphones, you see that we do have USB-C here. Now, Skullcandy claims that you can rapidly charge these headphones and get about 3 hours of playtime with just 10 minutes of charge, which is pretty nice. I wasn't able to test it, so assuming it works, that's a pretty nice perk right there. Connecting Bluetooth on the headphones was pretty quick and easy, both on my Android One 7 and on my wife's new iPhone 12. However, one particular thing I want to point out to Skullcandy: please, for the love of God, never make a pairing button that looks exactly like a power button. The confusion in my head when I saw this on the headphones, it just irritated the crap out of me. Now, in terms of audio, the audio is actually pretty darn good. I was very surprised by this because usually when it comes to Skullcandy, I'm used to them having like some very boomy, bass heavy headphones. And my wife is actually not a fan of that. So I was really kind of a little bit scared that this is the route they took with these particular ones. But actually, the sound is very good, kind of natural, not too boomy, not like really bass heavy or anything at all, even when turned up. The sound still stayed very good, and yes, there is bass in the headphones, but you can tell that the headphones is not really pushing it artificially, which I do love. It makes for some really good sound, especially for headphones of this price range. Now, in terms of call quality is also pretty good. I was able to make a few test calls between me and my wife, and she really liked that she could hear me pretty clearly. Obviously, she could tell that I was on a headset of some kind, but given that these are the kind of headphones where the mic does not extend anywhere, it is hidden inside the headphone itself, that's actually pretty good. I usually have pretty bad luck with those kind of headphones. Nice touch. Now, in a nutshell, from the actual audio quality, playing music, to watching YouTube videos, to actually making phone calls, the Skullcandy Hesh Evos are pretty darn good. For $99, which is what we got these headphones at over at Best Buy, I'm pretty surprised that it's just a very neat little package. You get everything you need, and if you like the colors are there. If you don't like the color, they have other colors for you that you can choose from that are a little bit more neutral, not so poppy as this blue is on this current set. But hey, I do recommend you check it out if you're in the field if you're actually looking for headphones that are a little bit more on the budget side but still deliver good sound. These are some ones that you can actually put on your list. Maybe you like them. All right, hope you guys actually liked this video. And if you did, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe down below for more tech videos all the time. I'll see you guys in another one. You have a good one. Bye.